Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now here, take a 2D sketch. We'll select the exact plane. So this will be the top view. Rotate the view. Okay, take the rectangle command. Take here 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle. Go to dimension. Here we will define this as 130 and this dimension here will be 285. Okay, now finish sketch. Now here take extrude. Here we will take extrude of 20 mm. So this will be a single direction extrude and the dimension will be 20 mm and press OK. Now here take the fillet command and take a fillet here of radius 25 mm. Go to edge selection, select this corner, this and this. Press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Take the point command. When I drag the cursor on this, you will find the center point. So we'll place the point on these center points one by one on all the 4 points and this. Finish sketch. Take hole command. Okay, and here we will take a simple hole and the dia of hole here will be of 25 mm. Okay, and these are the through holes and press OK. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch. Here when I rotate it, take the circle command and make here a circle of diameter 60 mm. Here take dimension. From this edge, the center will be at a distance of 70 mm. Okay, take the vertical constraint, select the center point and select center of circle. Okay, now finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 30 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Now here go to origin and we'll select here the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Take the line command and here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. Now here we'll make a rib profile. So we'll join till here inside and make a close profile here. Okay, this will be a straight line. So when you'll see the straight line, click here and click here. Go to sketch and here take the dimensions. Select this face and here when I rotate it, you will find a point here. So this distance here will be of 15 mm. Okay, right view and the depth of inside here you can take it. Okay, when I select this point and here rotate the view and select this point. Okay, define this as 10 mm. Go to right view, you can see this will be the profile. Now finish sketch. Take extrude. Here take symmetric extrude and the dimension of extrude will be of 10 mm. This will be also a joining profile and press OK. We have taken the profile inside, so to join this rib properly. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch. Take here the circle command and select the center point. Make a circle here of diameter 35 mm. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Here take cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay. Now here the next profiles which we will make. Go to plane. Go to the part 1 first. You have constructed this profile. Okay. Now here we are going to construct the other profiles For the other profiles, we'll construct now this vertical profile. Go to part 1, go to home, go to view. Okay, we will go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now go to 3D model, take plane, offset from plane, select this face. Here we'll take minus 190 mm. Okay, we'll give it as minus. So the plane will come inside. Okay, and press OK. Now you can enlarge this. Okay, you can change the shape. Now select this plane, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and make a circle here of diameter 70. Enter. Now go to dimension. From this base, the center will be at a distance of 150 mm. Okay. Go to vertical constraint, select this point and here select this point. Finish sketch, take extrude. Here we will take extrude of 65 mm and we will flip the direction. Okay, and press OK. Now here we are going to make the profiles. Go to part 1, this joining profiles or the joining ribs. Go to part 1. Now here go to plane, select plane, select this face, rotate and select this face. So mid plane with respect to this profile will be constructed. Okay. Now select this plane, go to create sketch. Here take the line command and make a joining profile, or you can take go to rectangle, take 2-point rectangle. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Select this corner and here select here. Go to sketch, go to dimension. Here we'll take vertical constraint, select this point. Okay, and select this point. Okay, now escape. Now when we have a movement here, you can see we have this straight movement. Go to coincident, select the center and select the center, so this will be constrained. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, take symmetric extrude, and here we are going to take extrude of 10 mm and press OK. Okay. Now the next profile, go to part 1. We have constructed this face. Now we are going to construct this face. Okay, go to part 1. Now here we'll select the mid plane, the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle. Here we are going to make one rectangle till here, and from here also we will make one rectangle, and from here as well we will make one rectangle. Okay, now we will give the dimensions, or you can just go to coincident, select this face, select this point. Okay, now similarly select this face, select this point. Now these two have become constrained. Now go to dimension, define this height as 25. Okay, now escape. Now we have a movement over here, so go to coincident, select this face, select this point and escape. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the 3 rectangles, go to view, visual style, shaded with edges. You can see we have selected 3, and we will take symmetric, and here we are going to take joining profile and press OK. When I rotate it, you can see the profile will look like this. Now here go to 3D model, take fillet command and take a fillet radius of 15 mm. Go to edge selection, select this corner, rotate and select this corner. Go to home, okay, and select here also and press OK. Now here go to this part 1. We have one profile here also. So we are going to construct this and then we will cut this profile. Okay, go to this construction part. Now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now we are going to generate one more plane. So go to plane, take offset from plane, and we'll select here the YZ plane. Take offset of 45 mm. Go to front view. You can see the offset here of 45 mm and press OK. Go to home, select this plane, go to create sketch. Take here circle command and make a circle here of diameter 30. Okay. We'll take here the vertical constraint. Okay. So here we'll select this point and this point. Okay. I'll undo this. So I'll do it once more. So go to the horizontal constraint. We'll take horizontal constraint here. You can see the straight line is coming for horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. Now here go to vertical constraint. Here if the software would track, or go to project geometry, project this face. Now go to the vertical constraint. Now we'll find a green midpoint and select here. Okay. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Here I'll flip the direction. Okay. Go to front view. Now you can see it is not matching properly. So from here we'll take 2 next, so it will match properly. Go to home. Okay. You can see like this and press OK. Now select this plane, right click and turn off the visibility. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command, drag the cursor on this, select the midpoint, make a circle of dia 45, finish sketch, take extrude, select this circle, take cut, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. When I rotate it, you can see the whole profile and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to circle command, drag the cursor on this, select this midpoint, make circle here of diameter 15, finish sketch, take extrude, select this, rotate, and here I will flip the direction to cut, and the depth here will be of 45 mm. Okay, go to the front view so you can see the depth and press OK. Go to home. Okay, now here go to the fillet command and take a fillet radius of 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select here, select here, select here, and select here. Rotate, select this corner, this and this, rotate. Similarly select here, here and here. One more time rotate and select this, this and this. Go to home. Okay, now we'll apply the appearance. From here we'll give the appearance as aluminum plate. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.